Alright, I don't know if you can hear me over the wind, but we're going to try some redfish, trout, and flounder here. We're in Swansboro, actually Cedar Point. It's the Cedar Point Wildlife Access Ramp. Right off, that's Highway 24 in beautiful Swansboro. It is a little windy today. I think it's blowing about 20. So we'll get to see how well this pilot does in the wind. All right, we're out here at the Intercoastal Waterway. We'll cruise on around this island here and see what we can find. See if we can get the redfish to bite. Maybe some trout on the docks. It's pretty effortless paddling. I mean, I got a good, probably 15, 20 mile an hour wind. That flag over there. Blowing out of the southwest. I'm actually going against the current as well, so. Alright, so we're out in Swansboro, just off the Intercoastal Waterway. That's the Intercoastal Waterway over there. So we're going to try fishing some of these creeks and marshes back here. Got several different rods set up. I've got Berkeley Gulp on there. I've got a Carolina rig with a live minnow. I've got a gold spoon, a Uzuri. I got a dead bait rig, and then a DOA popping cork cabo. So we're going to, something's right there. A little bit of something chasing the bait, but we're going to cruise around and see if we can get some fish on the boat. So we got the Perception all rigged up, ready to go. So here we go. Right next to the boat. Little lizard fish. Well, caught something today. Not the species we're looking for, but there was a fish in the boat. Stand up, a little bit more stable with the shoulder. It's pretty stable. Let's see if I can move the camera up a little bit. Oh. I'll have the best of balance to begin with, so hopefully I'm not going to go swimming today. had better balance, it would be better. I think it's not bad at all. Stability anyway. Alright, I don't know if you hear me or not, but we are headed back. Dudley's over there. Cruising down the Intercoastal. Wind has picked up quite a bit. A little rough, but still just pretty smooth and easy way back. Cruise along.